Hey guys, it's Matt with Verizon Connect. Is driver productivity better than last month? What about fuel usage? Does anything look weird? And if it does, what's the cause? Well, we're going to find out with dashboards. Dashboards let you see the big picture when it comes to your fleet's performance. Let's take a look. With dashboards, you can organize custom boards for your specific needs. For example, some people might want a dashboard dedicated specifically to payroll or maybe driver safety. Fleet managers usually like to see dashboards for many areas of the business. There are tons of metrics you can choose from, and if you want to learn more about all the metrics available, click the link in this video now. All right, let's take a look at a fuel dashboard. Wasted fuel tells us how much fuel was used through any idling above the threshold we've set. Fuel purchased tells us how much was spent on fuel in total and per vehicle. And fuel efficiency gives us the mileage. These last two work best if you've integrated a fuel card. The first thing that jumps out here is how much fuel this driver wasted this month. Let's take a closer look. This page gives us detail on both the individual vehicles and the overall trend. We can see that most drivers are idling around 3 to 4 hours a month, which is about 10 minutes a day. But this driver is idling over 20 hours a month, which is about an hour a day. This costs us an additional $72 for the month, and if we don't make any adjustments, we're wasting $860 a year. And that's just one driver. If you can improve idle times across your entire fleet, even just a little bit, it could have a huge effect on fuel costs. Our trend view shows that this day looks particularly expensive. If we select this bar, we can see the breakdown for just this specific day. And if I add this driver to the graph view, we can see exactly, in dollars, how much wasted fuel he's responsible for. We can also compare multiple drivers in the timeline view. This driver has a similar schedule as everybody else, but is consistently using the most fuel. This can be an opportunity for some coaching to not leave the vehicle idling for so long. We can also help him correct the behavior by setting up automated alerts for excessive idling and check back in about a week or so. You can learn more about setting up these automated alerts in our alerts video. With dashboards, we can drill down into any metric in a matter of seconds. You can choose the benchmarks for each one based on your company's needs. For example, what counts as a speeding event? How many speeding events are considered okay? How long is too long when it comes to idling, and how many stops should drivers be making per day? And once your dashboards are set up, you can easily share them with your coworkers to make sure everyone is seeing the same data. It's never been easier to take control of your fleet and affect the bottom line. Whether it's reducing costs or increasing productivity, dashboards let you quickly identify issues and take action on what matters most. All right, and that's a wrap. I hope these videos have helped you learn how Verizon Connect can truly transform your fleet, and if you're ready to take the next step, please click the link in this video now. Thanks for watching.